Welcome everyone. My name is Janapriya.
And I'm Andrea.
This channel is aimed at spreading knowledge of psychology as an academic subject to all taking relevant courses, whether it be AP, regular, or even IB. In this channel, we will be focusing on the IBSL psychology syllabus, and we will go through all materials from Unit 1 to Unit 4 in chronological order according to the course companion textbook. And we will be excluding all options due to the IB exam changes resulting from the COVID-19 pandemic. And you will find a video for each lesson of every unit in this channel.
So this would include visuals, mnemonics, and other memory aids for your benefit. This is only a supplement to your IBSL psychology class. So this channel should only be used to review the material and not learn the material. So we hope you enjoy and learn from our channel. Don't forget to like this video and leave comments to let us know how we're doing or to give us suggestions on what to include in our videos. Also, make sure to share our videos to help more people learn about psychology. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be updated whenever we post a new video.
Thank you so much.